Hi everyone. Welcome to the Forexir channel. In this video, I want to introduce a strategy with a win rate above 89%. My recommended time frame is 15 minutes. But you can use this strategy in time frames of 30 minutes and 60 minutes. I have used 3 indicators in this strategy. Trendline with breaks indicator gives me buy and sell signals. The Bollinger Band indicator identifies overbought and oversold areas. The RSI indicator confirms buy and sell signals. You can see the settings of these indicators at the end of the video. Please stay with me until the end. Rules for entering a buy position. When the price hits the lower band of the Bollinger Band, the yellow and red RSI lines should be in the oversold area. Then we wait for the price to cross the green trend line upwards. The green label confirms that the price has broken the green trend line. Now look at the RSI indicator. If the red line crosses the yellow line upwards, you can open a buy position. Stop loss would be the recent swing low. When the price hits the upper band of the Bollinger Band, we exit the position. You can also exit the position after the red and yellow RSI lines reach the overbought zone. Rules for entering a sell position. When the price hits the upper band of the Bollinger Band, the yellow and red RSI lines should be in the overbought area. Then we wait for the price to cross the red trend line downwards. The red label confirms that the price has broken the red trend line. Now look at the RSI indicator. If the red line crosses the yellow line downwards, you can open a sell position. Stop loss would be the recent swing high. When the price hits the lower band of the Bollinger Band, we exit the position. You can also exit the position after the red and yellow RSI lines reach the oversold area. The trend line indicator automatically draws the trend line. Trend lines are easily recognizable lines that traders draw on charts to connect a series of prices together or show some data's best fit. The resulting line is then used to give the trader a good idea of the direction in which an investment's value might move. A trend line is a line drawn over pivot highs or under pivot lows to show the prevailing direction of price. Trend lines are a visual representation of support and resistance in any time frame. They show direction and speed of price, and also describe patterns during periods of price contraction. To create a trend line, an analyst must have at least 2 points on a price chart. Some analysts like to use different time frames such as 1 minute or 5 minutes. Others look at daily charts or weekly charts. Some analysts put aside time altogether, choosing to view trends based on tick intervals rather than intervals of time. What makes trend lines so universal in usage and appeal is they can be used to help identify trends regardless of the time period, time frame or interval used. Remember, if the upper and lower bands of the Bollinger Band were close to each other, do not enter the position. Also, look for a sell signal when the RSI indicator lines are in the overbought area. And look for a sell signal when they are in the overbought area. Now I will check the signals together. Please stay with me until the end of the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Here the price has reached resistance. RSI shows us that the price is overbought. After breaking the red trend line, I enter the sell position. If you look at the green trend line, the price is in a downtrend and could not cross the green trend line. After breaking the red trend line, I can enter a sell position. But it is better to ignore this signal because the price is close to the oversold zone. The price has reached the oversold zone. We can enter a buy position after the green trend line breaks. Here it is better to ignore this signal because the price is in the oversold zone. As you can see, this signal can be used, but it is high risk. Here the price is in the oversold zone and we ignore this signal. Here the price is in the overbought zone and we ignore this signal. Here the price has reached resistance and touched this area again. You should wait for a sell signal because the price is in an overbought zone. Here the price is in the overbought zone. It is better to ignore this signal. But I will show you here that this signal can be used, but it has a high risk. Log in to the TradingView website. Like me, add indicators to the chart and change their settings. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.